Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
Some cough syrups can keep you awake because they contain stimulants like pseudoephedrine or certain antihistamines. These ingredients boost alertness and can cause jitteriness, making it harder to fall asleep. To avoid sleepless nights, choose cough syrups labeled non-drowsy or those without stimulants, especially before bedtime.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.